Is it possible to turn off or disable chat in Roblox on Xbox?
Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts! Today, we're going to be exploring how to disable chat in Roblox when you're playing on Xbox. This feature can be handy when you're looking to limit distractions and focus on the game. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process of turning off the chat feature.
What is the chat feature in Roblox?
Roblox Chat is a feature that allows players to interact with each other in the game. While it can enhance the social experience of playing, there might be times when you'd rather not engage in chats, whether to concentrate on the gameplay or to avoid any inappropriate interactions. Fortunately, Roblox allows you to disable the chat feature, and we'll discuss how to do that next.
How do I access settings in Roblox on Xbox?
Before we can disable the chat, we need to navigate to the right place in the settings. This process might be slightly different compared to doing it on a computer, but here's how you do it on Xbox. 1. Open the Roblox app on your Xbox. 2. Press the menu button on your Xbox One controller. 3. This should open a menu on the left side of the screen. 4. Scroll down to and select Settings.
How to disable chat in Roblox on Xbox?
Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, you cannot directly disable the chat feature within the Roblox game settings on Xbox. However, there are a couple of workarounds you could consider. Option 1. Using Xbox parental controls. One of the ways to control or limit chat features is by using Xbox's parental controls. By setting up the account as a child account, you can limit who the account can communicate with or completely disable communication. Here's how. 1. Go to the Settings option on your Xbox dashboard. 2. Select Account and then Family Settings. 3. Now, choose Manage Family Members and adjust the settings for the account in question. 4. Under Privacy and Online Safety, you can choose who the account can communicate with on Xbox Live, including options to block all communication. Option 2. Adjusting privacy settings on the Roblox website. The other workaround involves adjusting privacy settings directly on the Roblox website. These changes should apply to your account regardless of the platform you're playing on. 1. Visit the Roblox website and log into your account. 2. Navigate to Settings and then Privacy. 3. Under Contact Settings, you can adjust who can message you, chat with you in-app, and more. Please note that these methods will also affect other communication methods in Xbox or Roblox, not just the in-game chat. That's it. While you cannot directly turn off the chat in Roblox on Xbox, you can control who can communicate with you or block communication entirely using Xbox's parental controls or Roblox's privacy settings. We hope this guide has been useful, and here's to many hours of fun, focused Roblox gaming.